Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and this is my new video for the virtual reality and also with augmented reality. So let's begin. The first is the VR, and for this part, the first one is the VR games. In recent years, the game industry had made rapid progress, and more new technology have been applied to the game industry, such as virtual reality equipment. The first VR game appeared in the 1980s, but were not used on a large scale until the Valve game called Half-Life Alyx. It was a game for the epic proportions, and this game is made by Valve in 2020s, and that's the first person shooter developed and published with Valve. It is released for Windows and also for the Linux and supports most of the PC compatible VR headsets. Like previous Half-Life games, Alex combines combat, puzzles, exploration, and survival honor. Players interact with the environment and fight enemies through VR, using that gravity gloves to snatch objects from afar, similar to the gravity gun in Half-Life 2. And the second part is artistic creation. For the virtual reality artistic creation, about those things is now demand of VR soaring. Virtual reality games is on the rise, and museums and galleries are releasing entire exhibits in VR. The medium is a prime example of traditional media, such as movies, books, or illustrations, merging with digital experiences. Like other forms of the digital art, virtual reality is evolving and multifaceted. The broad category include range of creative implementations, everything from simple interactive video to the 360-degree spherical phenomena of museum gallery and exhibitions, of artists looking for more detailed design of specific model or characterizers. There is Adobe Dimensions software for creating realistic 3D imaging, like SketchUp, Unreal Engine, and Gravity Sketch are our platform for the 3D renderings, animation, and games. And the third part is VR film. And the first thing is I will tell you about the VR films. What are they used for? Like films made of VR allows viewer to view scenes in 360 degrees. This could involving using VR cameras to make interactive movies and series. And some of the pornographers use VR often for the POV style porn. The 2016 World Chess Championship between Magnus Carlsen and Sergei Karjakin has billed as the first match in any sport to be broadcast in 360-degree virtual reality. However, prior to September 17th, 2016, Oklahoma actually is host Ohio State's VR telecast. Television transmission is available through paid smartphone apps and head-mounted displays. And another part is the AR. The augmented reality is about hardware, software, and applications. In terms of hardware, combined with processor display, sensors, and input devices vehicle can be suitable for AR platforms. On the software side, the main key to AR systems is how to combine augmented objects with the real world. At the application level, it was first used in the military and then expanded to the daily life. Available AR hardware include optical projection systems, monitors, mobile devices, head-mounted displays, heads-up displays, and computers. In development, such as bionic contact lesson. In addition, unlike head-mount displays, heads-up displays use the principle of optical reflection to project information onto the lens, and through balanced reflection, project the image into the user's eye. Currently, the most well-known AR heads-up display is Microsoft HoloLens. And thanks for watching my video. I make it really hurry, so it's not that good as you think. And thank you very much.